Hey guys! So I just did this look with I got this from Better Length. So I just put in these clipping extensions and they look so good. I got the I think it's 3C for A hair. And it blends in really good with my hair, and I decided, why not do like a Valentine's Day theme date night video with this. So I did this heart-shaped looking bun on the top, as you can see. I hope it looks like a heart to you. And I am so in love with it. Oh my gosh. So if you want to see how I got this look, then stay tuned for the rest of this video. Thank you for visiting my channel and thank you for watching. I hope you like what you see and I hope you consider to subscribe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, comments, queries, then put it down in the comments and I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned. See you in the next one. So I already put in my clip-ins and now I'm just going to use some of the Aunt Jackie's flaxseed gel to blend my natural hair with the clip-ins. Then I'm going to use some water, spray that in, and blend, blend, blend. I'm gonna be using this heart-shaped bun maker and I'm just going to glide my hair through the opening and try to get that bun maker as close to the base of my head as possible. I'm gonna pin the bun maker to the front of my head so it's slightly angled upright so it's visible when you actually look at me. Now I'm gonna spread my hair over the bun maker as best as I can. Now I'm going to grab clumps of hair and wrap it around the bun. I'm gonna use this little heart trinket to accentuate the dip which is at the top of the heart. Then I'm gonna go ahead and tighten up the hair around the bun so the heart looks a lot better. Now I'm going to pinch in the sides close to the bottom of the heart to make the tip of the heart look pointy and give you more of that heart shape. Okay, this is how it turned out. If you want to see how I got the clip-ins into this look, then check the description box. I will link the video. Guys, I really love this look and I hope you do too. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. For updates on my hair tutorials, check out my handles.